Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this amazing professional premium website using a free theme and some other plugins. Now if you don't have time to waste but you want to design a website in the easiest and quickest possible time, then this video over here is right for you. So I'll show you how you can be able to install a theme, how you can be able to import this starter template onto your website, and then also be able to edit the website and make it your own. So without wasting my time, let's go through how we can be able to create this amazing website over here. Now as you can see, the website that we are going to create is this particular website over here. So as you can see, it have everything that a website is supposed to have. So from the header over here, the hero section over here, moves down to the services. This is basically the home page of the website. Now I'm going to show you how you can be able to get all the pages, everything from home, about, services, case studies, portfolio, testimonials, blog, and contact, all done in just some few minutes. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Now for those of you who watched my previous video about how to create a professional website for free using this particular website over here, Cyberchimps over here, now you mostly know about how we went about it and all the things that we did. But this time around, we're going to use the premium plugin of this particular website. So the responsive premium plugin is what we are going to install, and then we're going to import the premium template over here onto our website, and then I'll show you how you can go about it, how you can be able to go about it to be able to create this particular website. So without wasting my time, we're going to go straight over here to our WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I have a fresh installation of WordPress over here. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll leave links in the description for you so that you'll be able to get your domain, get your hosting, and then be able to get your WordPress installed successfully. So I'll leave links of all those videos that you can be able to help you get a cheap domain, get cheap hosting, and also install WordPress, and then you'll be able to start working on the website. Now of course, if you don't have money to get domain and hosting, I have videos about how you can be able to get free hosting and free domain, or even how you can be able to get free install WordPress on your computer for free. Okay, so I'll leave all those links in the description for you. Now this is a fresh installation over here. So to go about everything that we're going to do, first of all, we need to get the the theme. Okay, so what we're going to do is to get the theme, we're going to go to appearance over here and then click on themes over here. Now we're going to add a new theme. Okay, so click on add new over here, and then we're going to search for responsive. So type over here responsive over here, and then you're going to see this responsive theme over here. Okay, and that is what we are going to install. So search for responsive, and then you see this responsive theme over here. Just click on it to install, and then click on it to activate. Now at the moment that you install the responsive theme, you see a notice over here which says that you can get fully functional ready site with responsive. Browse 100 plus ready site template, install the responsive starter template plugin. Now go ahead and click on install the template over here. Now that you've installed the responsive starter template, you're going to see this responsive over here. Okay, so as you can see, you see all this responsive starter template over here. Now that is exactly what we want. Now of course, if you don't see that notice over there, you can go to plugins and then search for responsive, and then you're going to get the responsive plugin to install. So now I have installed the responsive theme. I've also installed the responsive starter template. Now what I'm going to install is the premium plugin that I'm going to add on to this responsive starter template to make me be able to use all this premium or the pro starter templates as you see over here. So as you can see, this is what pro, this is pro, and the one that we want to use, let me just go through and see which, where is it, yes, this one over here is what we're going to install. Okay, so what we're going to import, so what we are going to do is to install the premium plugin. Okay, so to do that, I have the premium plugin already downloaded already for me. So what I'll do is I'll hover over here and then click on add new. But of course, if you want to download the premium plugin, what you can do is you can go to pricing over here and then check the pricing of those of the the add-on for you to be able to download all the premium starter templates that you really want. So to do that, just click on pricing and it will take you there. Now as you can see, guys, this are what are the pricing for it. So as you can see, for one site it is not costly. Okay, it has also been slashed down, reduced, okay, for more than like almost getting to 50% of what of the price. So 23.50, which is what one site. Okay, and then this is basically for an individual person who just wants what a site for himself or his business. Of course, if you hire a freelancer or even a professional web developer to create a website for you, it's going to cost more than this particular amount over here. If you want a business bundle, you can also have 3 different sites for just $33.3. Okay, and then if you are a professional web developer, you develop websites for people, then why don't you go for the $48.50 for 100 website? Okay, so within a year you can be able to create 100 websites for your business. Okay, so as you can see, you can go for this is the annual prices. You can also go for what the lifetime prices, and then if it is lifetime deal, then these are the prices that you are going to go. Otherwise, every year you're going to renew the bundle, or you're going to renew the plugin for the amount that you see over here. So if I were you, I would definitely go for the lifetime bundles, so that I will be able to have lifetime with support and everything over there. Okay, and that is it. Now if you have this plugin, you can go ahead, and then if you don't have it, you can go ahead and then just click on buy to purchase it. Okay, but I already have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and then upload the plugin over here. So I'll go to upload plugin, and then I'm going to choose the file that I want to upload my plugin from. So guys, as you can see, this is the folder that my plugin is in it. Now this is the responsive pro add-ons pro data I am going to install. So I already have this one installed. I'm going to add this one to it, so I'm going to click on it and then click on open to be able to install it. Then now I'll click on install now to start the installation process. Okay guys, so our plugin is successfully installed. Now what we need to do is to click on activate to activate the plugin. So I'm going to click on activate over here to activate the plugin. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, it says that the responsive pro API key has not been activated, so the plugin is inactive. So meaning that even though we have installed the plugin, activated it, it is still inactive. We need to activate the plugin by using the license key that was given to us when we bought the plugin. So what we are going to do is to click here over here to take us to the place whereby we can be able to activate the plugin. So now we are going to add our API key over here, and then also the product ID over here. So we have to make sure that we copy it and then we paste it over here, and then with the product ID also we copy it and then we paste it over here, and then we can click on save changes to to save the changes and then activate the plugin for us. So guys, as you can see, the plugin is what is successfully activated for us. Now we are what, we are good to go. Okay, we're good to go. So the next one is for us to import the what, the starter template. So to do that, since we have activated the pro plugin and other stuff, we can be able to what, activate the plugin. So to do that, we go straight ahead to the responsive over here, and then we go to what, responsive template over here. So let's click on responsive template over here. Okay guys, so this is the starter templates. These are where all the starter templates are. Okay, so I'm going to skip Tor over here, and then over here what you need to do is to select the page builder that you want to use to build your template. So I'm going to use Elementor over here. So it's going to give me all the Elementor templates over here. So as you can see, I have all the Elementor templates over here. Okay, so those of you who like NFT, you can see a very nice NFT template over here. You can use it to build your NFT website. A lot of nice starter template over here. So what we are going to import is just below over here. So let's scroll down. So this is what we are going to import. Okay, this one over here, a digital marketing agency template over here. So those of you who love to especially most of my subscribers are web designers and digital marketers, this template, it will be good for you. So I'm going to click on preview over here to preview the template. Okay guys, so this is how the template looks like. You can go ahead, check it if you are interested in it. If you like it, you go ahead to import it. So what we're going to do is to just click on import sites. If you want to just import the template, you can click over here, but we want to import the whole site. Okay, so we click on import site over here, and then it will tell us to install some required plugins. Okay, so these are the required plugins that will allow us to install Elementor, WP Forms, and then responsive Elementor add-ons. Okay, so we are going to click on import over here. It will take some few minutes. It will start importing everything for us, install the required plugins, and then go ahead to delete previous import, and then import the content, import the customizer settings, and then we are good to go. So the required plugins are imported, are installed. Okay, the required plugins are all installed. You'll go ahead to import, delete previous import, and then import content, import customizer settings, and then we are good to go to launch our website. Okay guys, so I was trying to import the thing, and then I had an error. The error says that Elementor could not be installed. Now if Elementor could not be installed, if you try to import it, or if you even cancel it and then try to go back to install Elementor, it will still tell you that Elementor could not be installed. For example, let me show you this. Now if I cancel this one over here, okay, I'm gonna cancel this one. Now if I go to plugins over here, and then I click on installed plugins, now you see that Elementor could not be be installed. Okay, it couldn't be installed, it couldn't be activated. Okay, so Elementor is installed, but it is not activated. And then also this plugin, which is responsive Elementor add-ons, has already been be installed and activated. So now let's try and then activate this plugin, the Elementor plugin. Okay, so as you can see, it says that could not be activated because it triggered a fatal error. Okay, now I've encountered this problem on the second time. This is the second time me encountering the problem. Now I'm going to delete the plugin. Okay, so I'm going to click over here and then delete the plugin. Okay, now I'll go to my file manager also. Okay, and then go to my plugins in the file manager and see if it is it is already deleted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my WP content over here, and then go to my plugins over here. Okay, and as you can see, it has been it has been deleted. This is the only the only plugins that I have, the 4 plugins. Okay, now if I go over here to I'm going to have 4 plugins. Okay, so the responsive pro, and then the responsive Elementor add-ons over here, and then the responsive starter template over here. Now I can go ahead and then click on add new over here. So let me just go ahead and click on add new over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install the Elementor. Okay, so I'm going to search for Elementor over here, and then just install Elementor from here. Okay, so I'm going to click on install now, and then I'm going to click on activate to activate Elementor. So as you can see, Elementor is installed and activated. Okay, so I will advise you to install Elementor first before going ahead to import the starter template. Okay, so now that I have installed and activated Elementor, now I can go ahead and then go to responsive over here, and then click on responsive template. Now of course, if yours was smooth, you don't need to go through all this process. But if you were importing the starter template and then you had a problem just like me having this problem, then I think first of all, make sure that you don't have Elementor on your machine. Delete the folder from your website, and then reinstall it again from the plugins directory, and then we can be able to go ahead and then install the starter template, or import the starter templates. So I'm going to go down and then look for the starter template that we are working with. So that is the so so this one over here. Okay, so the digital marketing agency, this one. So I'm going to click on preview to preview it for me, and then I will go ahead and then import the the site. So I've already previewed. There's no need for me going through all this preview process and all these things, but of course it is better to see where you are going to import before you click on import. So I'm going to click on import site, and then as you can see, we will have to install some required plugins. So these are the required plugins that will be installed for us. Now the only plugin left for us to install is the WP the contact. Okay, so that contact form, WP forms. So we're going to click on import site, and then wait for it to go ahead and then import the whole site for us. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, the website is ready, and we are ready to launch our website. So all what we need to do is to click on launch site. Alright, so the website is now ready, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly well over here. Okay, so everything is working nicely and perfectly well. Now we are done with the first part of it, that is installing all those plugins and then also importing the starter template. Now the second part is I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit this website. Okay, so now that you have this imported, now as you can see, all the things on it are demo content, they are not yours, but I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit it and make it your own. Okay, so to be able to edit this website, now go to any page that you want to edit. So for instance, we want to edit this particular page, that is the home page. Okay, so you can see that we have results driven digital marketing agency and all those things, and then some dummy text and other stuff over here. Now I want to change this particular result driven and then make it welcome to Kitech Digital, or maybe welcome, and then I'll say web design and digital marketing, or I'll just write Kitech Digital and I'll say web design and digital marketing over here. So to do that, I'll just have to click on edit with Elementor over here. So just click on it. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the Elementor page builder over here. Now it is very easy for you to be able to use this Elementor page builder. You can drag in the widgets over here and then bring them over here, or if you just want to edit this ones, all what you need to do is just, if for instance I want to edit this page, this word over here and make it Kitech Digital, so I'm just going to click this one over here, Now if I click on it, if you look at the left side, that is the panel over here. The the settings of the heading widget is what is over here. It allows me to what, to change the text that I want to change over here. So I'm just going to write in Kitech Digital over there. So guys, as you can see, Kitech Digital, and then over here also I can just just click over here, and then I will also be able to edit the content over here. So I'll say what, web design and then digital marketing. Now I'm just gonna type in web design and digital marketing agency. Okay, so now that I have this one over here, I'm good to go. I can just type in some few words that I want to type over here, just like that. So just click over here, and then the settings of the widget will open for you over here, and then you can type in whatever thing that you want to type in, delete whatever thing that you want to delete, and then you are good to go. So you can do so by what, by editing all the other things on the page right here. Now of course, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have gone into details. I have a lot of videos on how to use Elementor web page builder or website builder on this particular channel. I'll leave some links in the description for you, so that you can be able to go ahead and then click on it and learn more about how to use Elementor page builder or website builder to be able to build your own website. So now, after doing your editing and other things, if you're okay with it, you just click on what, update over here, and then you are good to go. So you click on this update over here, and then your website will be updated for you. All right, so as you can see, everything is okay, and now we are good to go. So now this is how you can be able to edit all the pages over there. Now of course, I want to show you something. Now if you go to, let me just click on the launch website again, and then go back over here, and then click on close over here to close the website. Now if you look at the website critically, now the website have different parts. Okay, now the one that we edited are the body part, that is where all the other things are. Now we have the header, and then we also have what, the footer. The header and the footer runs through the website, and then in editing that header and footer, there are two ways, two places you have to go before you can be able to edit that part. Okay, so let me just hold on for this one to load, and after that I'll show you how you can be able to also edit the header and then the footer. So there are two places to go. Okay, so there are two places to go. It is the first one is what, the customize section of the of WordPress, and then you go over there to edit your settings and other stuff. And then the other one is also what, the responsive Elementor add-on theme builder. Okay, now the website uses what, the theme builder to build a header, and then also to build what, the footer. Okay, so this footer that you see over here was built using by what, the the footer, the theme builder, sorry, the theme builder. So to be able to use the theme builder to be able to build this kind of header and footer, now we need to go through two different places. Okay, first of all, we want to change our logo. Okay, so to be able to change your logo, we go to the customize session side, and then we change our our logo. And then secondly, to be able to create a header like this, then we use the theme builder to be able to help us create a header and a footer that we want. Okay, so let's say we want to change our logo. So to do that, we go to customize over here. Okay guys, so now that we are over here, now this is the customize settings. Okay, so to do that, now you can see that in most of the previous website that we do, we build our header over here, and then we do all the footer settings also. We build our footer over here. Now with this one, we're just going to go to site identity, and then change the logo. Okay, that is what we just need. Okay, because the header and the footer will be using a different thing to build. So what we're going to do is we're just going to want to change our logo. So to change your logo, just click on change logo and then locate where your logo is. Okay, so this is my logo. I'm going to put it over here. Just drag it in this one over here, and then I'm going to upload the logo. And then after uploading the logo, I just select the logo, and then I click on select. And then after that, what I need to do is you can either decide to crop your logo or skip cropping. So I'm going to skip cropping over here, and then as you can see, my logo is over here. Now it will show over here very soon. Okay guys, so as you can see, the logo is showing over here nicely. Okay, so now we are good to go. So this is how we can be able to upload our logo on the imported starter template. Now that we know how to upload our logo, now let's go ahead and publish it. Okay, after doing all the changes, you publish it. Now we're gonna go back, so I'm going to close this one over here, and then I'm going to show you how you can be able to use the theme builder to be able to create your own customized header, and then also edit the header. Okay, that will be the last one we'll do, and then all the rest I know you can be able to do it yourself, because that is as simple as that. Now to be able to do that, now I'm going to go back to the admin dashboard over here, and then I'm going to close this panel over here. So now as you can see, let's go to, if you look at the menu items over here, we have REA. Okay, REA means responsive Elementor add-on. Okay, now this plugin was installed when we were importing the starter template. Okay, we were importing the starter template, or the template that we imported to use for the website. So the REA is the responsive Elementor add-on, and then it comes with a theme builder. Okay, so we're gonna click on it, which is the theme builder, and then we're gonna see all the other parts of the website that they've built for us. Okay, now guys, as you can see, there are a lot of tons of things over here. Now they have the non-transparent header, they have the single blog, the REA contact footer, and then we have the single portfolio single, and then REA footer, and then REA header. Okay, so now what we want to edit is the header, and then if you know how to edit the header, the same way you can also edit the footer. So to edit the header, all what you need to do is to click with edit with Elementor. So I'm going to open it in a new tab over here, edit with Elementor, and then we're going to use Elementor to edit the header. Okay guys, so this is the header over here, and we are going to use Elementor to be able to build our header. So guys, as you can see, this is the header. Okay, now this is the transparent header. Transparent means that it is it doesn't have a background color. Okay, it relies on the hero session to get its color from there. So if you look at the website over here, the hero session have a gradient color. Okay, and that is why this header relies on. Okay, that is what the header relies on, and that is what we have over here. So this is the transparent header over here. Now this is a simple thing. You can even create it yourself. Now to be able to create this simple header over here, all what you need to do is to click on add new over here. Just click on this one over here. Okay, now we're going to pick a 3-column session over here. Okay, so I want to show you how this thing really works. So it is just a 3-column session. Now the top one over here is a site logo. Okay, now to be able to have a site logo, just click on the plus over here, and then on the left side of the panel over here, the widget panel over here, just search for site logo. Okay, you see two different site logos. One is what is logged, which is the main Elementor site logo. We're not going to talk about that, but we are talking about what the the responsive Elementor add-on site logo. So just drag this one over here. Just drag it into this place. Okay, just drag into where you want it to be, and you see it over here. Okay, so now that you have your site logo, you can go ahead and then make it whatever size that you want it to be. Okay, depending on how you want it to be. Okay, all depends on you. So let's say I want it to be something like a 50%, or let's say 45. Okay, so let me make it like 45. So 45% is what is quite okay. And then over here I want to bring in what remember there are two menus in this website. The header, we have the menu 1 and menu 2, which has already been created for us. Okay, you can check that one out on you in the when you go to appearance and then what menu. Okay, so when you go over here appearance and then you go to menus, you can see all your menus over there. Let me show you, and where you can also create your menu, so that you can be able to create it yourself if you just want one single header, or one single menu for one header, or whatever it is. So as you can see, guys, these are the various menus that it exists on the imported starter site. Okay, so all these ones exist over here. So we have menu 1, menu 2, and that is what was used in this site. Okay, that is why this is menu 1, this is what menu 2. So as you can see, we can go ahead, click on this plus icon over here, and then search for menu. Just search for menu. Okay, you're going to see nav menu over here, REA nav menu. That is what we want. Okay, just drag it over here, and then it's going to bring all the menu items. Now of course this is what the footer menu. As you can see, this is the footer menu. So we want to change it. So go click over here and then click on menu 1 over here, and then you can be able to change the footer menu. So this is it. Now as you can see, you can click over here to expand the area of the menu. Okay, so make it big or make it small, it depends on how you want to make it. Okay, so that is it. The same way you can click over here to expand this one also. Okay, so it depends on how you want it. So over here also we're going to click over here, and then we're going to search for menu, and then we drag in this responsive Elementor add-on nav menu, drag it to this place, and then we change it to menu 2. Okay, we're going to change it to menu 2, and then as you can see, we have our menus over there. So as you can see, these are our header. Okay, so you can use this to create your own custom header that you want. So guys, that is how you can be able to edit or create your own header for the website. Okay, so I've deleted it. Now if you want to edit this, anything over here, you cannot do it just like that, but unless you go to the place that the menu was created. Okay, so if I want to edit menu 1, I'll just select menu 1, click on select over here, and then menu 1 will show for me over here. And then what would I do? I'll just need to edit that part, okay, of the menu 1. So let's say instead of maybe case studies, I want to change the name over here to a different name. I can still do it. Okay, so let's say I want to say, instead of case studies, I just want to say Kitech. Okay, so all what I need to do is just type in the name over here, and then I'll just click on save menu. And if I click on save menu, what will happen? If you go to the menu, the website, and then you refresh the website, you should be able to see the case studies change to Kitech over here. So guys, as you can see, we've changed it. Now I'm going to refresh the website and then see if the changes we made happened. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, the changes is what is happening live over here. Okay, so that is it, that is Kitech. So this is how you can be able to create a professional customized website for yourself or for your client, all by using the responsive theme and the responsive plugin. Now you need to get it if you're a web designer and then you want to quickly create website for your client. You need to have this kind of plugin, okay, so that you can be able to upgrade your web design skills and other stuff. Now just go to cyberchimps.com. I'll leave the link in the description over there, and then just search for their themes, and then their pricing. Look through their pricing, and then you pick the one that is right for you, and then you can be able to install it on your website, and then you are ready to go. So if you go to pricing over here, you realize that the prices are not really that expensive. If you are creating a $500 or $600 or an $800 website, and you buy one site for 23 point something dollars, then I think this is a peanut. Okay, this is just a peanut you can be able to use to cover all the costs and everything of your web design. And this one will help you to be able to create professional websites. So as you can see, now if you want 100 sites, just $48.25 US. Now imagine if you are charging even $250 or $280 per website, and then you buy this 48 divided by 100, it's not even up to $1. Okay, and that is why you need this particular plugin. Now if you want to go for the lifetime also, you can of course go for that lifetime bundle. Now this lifetime gives you all the things that you need. Okay, you're gonna get a lifetime contract with these people. Now you're not going to renew it annually. It is, you bought it for life. Nobody will ask you anything about it. You are going to use it forever and ever. Okay, and 100 sites. So for those of you who are creating those 100 sites, means that one site over here is just $2.99 USD. And if you are charging your client even $280 or $380, you subtract $2.99 from it, it's just a peanut. Okay, so go ahead, grab this thing over here, and then use it for your website. Okay, now of course, if you still want to use the free one also, you can of course go ahead and use the free themes, and then a free plugin over there. It is free for you to use it forever. I'll put the link in the description. You can be able to use them, and then you use it to create your website that you need. Thank you for watching this beautiful tutorial. See you in the next video, and then please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together so that we can become one of the biggest website web design YouTube channel in Africa. I hope this video helps you to be able to upgrade your skill in web designing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.